If you plan to buy an electric car, stay to the end of the episode and I will tell you something. I have been using electric cars for several years, using and trying out different brands that I have made episodes about in this YouTube channel. Now I'm driving a Tesla Model 3.
Where do I charge?
Many people think that you only can charge an electric car on a public fast charger or a supercharger, like they used to going to a petrol station. Surprisingly for them is that if you are living in your own home, you can charge most of the time at home, even if it takes much longer. Your car is parked there most of the time, so the slow charging very seldom matters. You will have the enough capacity for your everyday drive. But if you drive a lot, you might need faster charging at home, and then you can ask an electrician to come and install a wall connector, and it will be even more convenient to charge at home.
Well, always when I answer this question, I get a follow-up question that, well, I don't live in my own house. What do I do then? Well, there is an answer to this also, and I will post here the answer to this question. So go and watch that if you're wondering. Well, as promised, when we came now to the end of this episode, I would tell you something if you're planning to buy an electric car. If you're considering to buy the brand Tesla, you should definitely use a referral link when ordering your car. That will give you some free supercharging that equals, on the day of recording, to 1,500 kilometers or 1,000 miles. Feel free to use mine that I post here. If you like to follow me on my adventurous electric earth life, then you should consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Feel free to do so, and if you're on Facebook, you can also join me under My Electric Earth over there. Thanks for watching and have a great life.